Hey guys, what's up? This is Rachel here with vicrez.com. Today I'm going to be showing you one of our newest products, vz101478, a ZR1 front bumper conversion for your 2014 to 2019 Chevy Corvette C7s. Made to fit all C7 trims, there is no exclusion between Z51 Stingrays, Z06, or Grand Sports. Truly a one-size-fits-all scenario. This Vicrez front bumper was designed using geometrical 3D scan CAD data in order to ensure a precise fit that hugs every curve on your C7. We're now offering this new aerodynamic design that will provide you with a modernized appearance that is slightly more aggressive than the former C7 we're all familiar with. Produced using precision injection molding, it comes ready to install with tabs already included for an easy installation and true OEM fit. Every single one of our products has undergone a strict quality control inspection, so you can be sure that you'll have 100% satisfaction with every Vicrez purchase. Made strong for long-lasting durability, this Vicrez ZR1 bumper is sure to resist damages from impacts and normal day-to-day wear. Now this is just a partial ZR1 conversion offered by Vicrez, so if you weren't sold on the first half, just know that you can achieve the whole look with our ZR1 full conversion kit. This not only includes our ZR1 front bumper, but also vz101404, our rear lower rocker brake scoop vents made to fit the Stingray trim line. With quality you can see and products that you love from a company you can trust. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more deals, steals, and new releases weekly.